Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Caymanas Interchange. Now to the right, that is the entrance to Highway 2000 North-South leg. And on the left, you can't see it from here because it's blocked. On the left of where we are is Highway 1000 East-West leg. So these are the two major highways in Jamaica. They are actually toll roads. So the government wants to build an interchange out here by Caymanas to connect both highways, a major interchange, so that you don't have to exit off the highway, go on to Mandela, and then get on the other highway. Actually, if you're coming from Mandeville, you would have to go, if you exit on Mandela, you would have to actually make a U-turn, but there is no entrance to the bridge on that side. You'd have to go all the way around to come back, all the way around Mandela Highway and come back. Real tedious journey, especially with traffic. And if you come off the highway, the north-south highway, actually, if you want to go from Mandeville to Ocherius on the highways, you're better coming off in Ocherius. It's easier to connect to both highways there. So the government is going to build an interchange so that you don't have to exit off the highways. They'll be connected. And the east-west highway is going to actually take you all the way to, it goes from Kingston to Mandeville now. And it's going to go from Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, and then to Negril, and then also from St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. And the north-south highway goes from Kingston to Miami Bay, but it's going to be extended from Miami Bay to Trelawney, and eventually to Montego Bay. So you'll be connected via the entire part, from Kingston to Montego Bay, back to Kingston, driving around the island like a ring of highways. And you don't have to get off to access each one. Now, when they build this highway, they're going to have to build it somewhere out here where we are, because it's two different toll structures. So when you come off Highway 2000 East-West leg, which is run by or operated by Trans Jamaica Highway, that's one toll operator. But this highway that we're going on to now is a different toll operator, which is Jamaica North-South Highway. So when they build the interchange, you would have to enter this highway somewhere along here. The interchange would have to drop you somewhere out here so that you go through this toll plaza, because there are no more toll plazas along the highway until you reach Miami Bay. If you enter or exit the highway, they have toll plazas. But when driving on the highway, it's this one and then the Miami Bay one. So the interchange would have to drop you somewhere out here so that you can go through this toll plaza and collect the card for the toll, like what we're doing now. Now this project is being done by NROC, not NROC is in charge of it. They're in charge of all the toll roads, so they will be the one in charge of this project. They haven't given a concrete start date yet, but it should be, well, they haven't given an exact date, but they have a lot of major projects working on, and this is one. So we are now on the North-South Highway, Highway 2000 North-South leg, heading towards Ocherius. Now, it's very tedious to get from one highway to another in Kingston. As I said earlier, it's easier to connect to both highways in Ocherius. Sorry, not Ocherius, Spanish Town. Spanish Town has two exits. A Highway 2000 East-West leg, you can exit in Spanish Town, and then you have to drive on the local roads down to Angels where you can get on the other highway. But as it is now, there's nowhere for you to make a U-turn back on Mandela if you come off to interconnect to the other highway. You would have to go turn off like you're going to Portmore, make a U-turn and come back around. So I guess either one can work. But when you have the interchange, it will be so much easier. And in terms of the contractor to do this job, I mean, it's going to be China Harbour Engineering Company. They actually built both highways, and they're the ones working on expanding the highways. So they should be the one to get the project to do it. The contract. They should be the contractor to do it. But Jamaica is progressing nicely, and this interchange will definitely help. Now, Trans-Jamaica Highway also mentioned that they want to put overpasses on their highway, but we'll talk about that in another video, because some legs of their highway is very busy and they want to put the overpasses to ease the traffic congestion. Actually, 26 million cars pass through the toll plazas on Trans-Jamaica Highway a year. 26 million. That is how busy the road is. Now, Jamaica has a population of 3 million. So can you imagine when 26 million cars pass through the toll plazas a year? And that's just Trans-Jamaica toll plazas. Doesn't include the toll plazas on this road. So toll roads are definitely the way of the future for Jamaica. And so we will keep you guys updated on all the progress that's being made with these toll plazas. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. We will keep you guys updated on this project. As soon as they announce anything new on it, we will update you. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Have a good day.